What's up, everybody? It's Melissa from Chipwind Motors over here at Chipwind Classics. Wanted to do an updated lot walk with you guys over here, go over the current pricing, and talk to you about one of our new arrivals that we're excited about. We're going to be looking at a 1965 true Chevrolet SS. Now, this thing is loaded up with lots of new parts. We'll be doing test drive videos on it. I'm getting ready to upload the walk around video, so make sure you're checking that out. And definitely check back for the test drive video on it as well. Run over some of the things that it's got. It's going to have a 454 mild cam in it, roller rockers, a Tremec 5-speed, 12-bolt aluminum radiator, electric fan, brawler carburetor, and like I said, tons of new parts such as batteries, wiper motors, disc brakes, Cooper tires, rally wheels that are going to be staggered, center caps, new fuel pump, leather bucket seats are new with the console, new carpets, headliners, door panels. I mean, the list goes on and on, guys. It does have an AM FM CD player in it. It will have a new power steering pump, new coil springs, new shocks. It's going to have a Malwood hydraulic clutch. There is sound deadening mats in the back. But once again, new brake lines, new brake hoses, brake calipers, new bearings, new seals, new chrome, new dash, on and on and on. This is a gorgeous car. Like I said, we just got it in. We'll pop the hood on it really quick. Bear with me. There she is. So, if you're into the 65 models, we got one. We're gonna go on up front here. Hot chick's over there taking a nap. Remember, this is going to be the future home of Chipwind Classics and Chipwind's personal collection museum on show. So make sure you're following us on Chipwind Classics so that way you can be in the know of how everything is progressing along. We'll go in here to be the future showroom. We'll talk about a few more. How about it? You can find everything once again on chipwindclassics.com, or you can give us a call at 270-443-1728. All right, we're going to have a 1972 Chevrolet SS clone. The Chevelle is. It's going to be hooked up with a new 350 V8 crate motor in it as well. We have it at $45,000. We do have video up on it. Make sure you pop over and check it out if this is a piece of precious metal you'd like to see in your driveway or garage. We have a 1969 Chevelle. It's going to have a built 350 V8 in it, mild cam. It's going to have a turbo automatic 350, excuse me, automatic transmission, and it is gear driven. Beautiful car. Videos up above in it. We have several of these 67s. This one right here will be a hardtop, not a convertible, 67 model, and this one is going to have the 283 Power Glide transmission in it. 47.5 where we have it priced at. It is an automatic. And this one does have an aftermarket CD player in it. This one actually spent its last 25 years in a museum. All right. Coming over here, we're going to have a 1941 Ford pickup. It's going to have a 350 GM V8 in it and a rebuilt Muncie 4-speed. This truck is really nice. Interior's been redone in it, and it has a little placard with all of its upgrades done to it, and it will be a 4-speed. And we have a 1934 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. This one's going to have a 350 V8 in it with a turbo 350 3-speed. Vintage coach. Gorgeous car. And it does have aftermarket stereo in it as well. Suicide door opening. We have a 1973 Ford Ranchero. Oh, I think I forgot to tell you. So the price on that Master Deluxe, I apologize, let me go back to it. The Master Deluxe is going to be $44,500. $1973 Ford Ranchero once again over here. It's got a 400 V8 in it. It's going to have a C6 automatic transmission. We have it currently listed at $26,500. This is our other 67 Chevelle. Now this one is going to have a powered top. It's been lowered about 2 inches on this Malibu. We'll have a 283 4-speed in it, and it will have original 56,000 miles on it. We have video and up of it as well on the YouTube page. Beautiful car. Make sure you're hitting that like button, that subscribe button. Drop me some comments at the bottom. These are always fun. How about a 1935 Ford Rat Rod? This is going to be an all steel body. It's going to have a built 350 V8 in it with a 350 turbo automatic. It's got a Offenhauser high-rise intake on it. Cool car. Some Firestone white walls. We have a 1948 Willys Jeep. It's going to be a 3-speed manual 4-cylinder. We have it for $16,900. We have a 1963 convertible Chevrolet Corvair. This one is going to have original miles on it. Power top, 6-cylinder with 102 horsepower, automatic transmission. Pretty red leather interior. $16,900. We have a chopped down, sorry about that, 1960 Ford Falcon. It's going to have a 1,000-hour build on it. It's going to have 59,000 original miles on it. It's going to have a 390 V8 in it with a 4 BBL carb. The fun little car. It does have ghost flames on it. Hard to see in these lighting, but it does have ghost flames on the side of it here. We are asking $17,990, and it has a little mini golf cart to match it. We can make that a deal for you. If you wanted the package, we'll cut you a deal on both of these, and they can go home together with you. almost a classic, not quite there years. A locally owned 2002 35th anniversary Z28 Camaro with a power convertible top. I think this one's, let's see here, get mileage on this one. Six speed, let's see. It's like 30-something thousand miles on this car. Factory Hearst shifter. Make sure, once again, you check out chipwinklassics.com for more pictures, videos, and information. We have a 1955 Ford Fairlane. Go to my page here. This is going to have a new rebuilt 302 V8 3-speed in it with 63,000 original miles. We have it for $21,000. '55 Studebaker President. 34.5 on it. We have a concourse winner and a Dearborn winner 1940 Mercury convertible. 37.5. And a pretty rare 1949 Plymouth Business Coupe. Beautiful little car. It's got a 217 cubic inch flathead on it, and it's got a 56,000 original miles on it. 18.5. It's a cool little car. This one's one of my favorites. It's a 1957 Dodge pickup. Pretty rare for the condition that it's in. It's going to have a 350 with a 700R automatic transmission, and it is sitting on bags in the front end, so you can drop her all the way down. Check out the video of it on our YouTube channel. Some Krager wheels. But the interior is where this bad boy shines. The headliner is gorgeous. Make sure you definitely check out the videos once again on this one on our Chipwin Classics YouTube page. Make sure you like and follow us. We appreciate every one of you. Wood paneling in the bed. This one's one of my favorites. A little pre-war era. This is going to be a 1929 Ford Model A. This is going to have a 4-cylinder 3-speed on the floor. $18,950 for this one. I get ahead of myself, guys, too. I do apologize. Come around the side here. This Dodge we were asking $29,500 for, by the way. Come back around. Here we go. So $18,500 on that Model A. Then we have an all-original 1976 Cadillac. It's only going to have 49,000 original miles on it. $13,500. The interior on this one is basically brand new. Blue interior. Power seats, power windows, power locks. We have another award winner, a 1946 Ford sedan. Trunk full of trophies on this one. This is going to have a flathead V8 in it and a 3 on the tree. $22,500. It's got door poppers on it, I think. The dash in these cars are gorgeous. Here's our other 67. You're looking at a 1967 Chevelle, like I said, with a 283 power glide transmission in it. This one was actually kept in a heated and cooled museum. It does have a power convertible top on it. We have it for $49,900. It was $52,900. And it will be an automatic. Now they did keep the factory radio in this one, but they did put an aftermarket, so you can take her back to her original condition if you choose to. But those are some of the ones that we did mark down. Say hi to Jeff. If you have any questions, he would be your liaison. Are you going to start up that Chevelle?
I can in just a minute. I got a customer.
Right on. All right, guys, you know where to find us. 3174 Park Avenue in Paducah, Kentucky. If any questions, give us a call at 270-443-1728. We'll go out here and finish up on a couple more. On around the front side here so you can see them. We'll start out with the 1984 Jeep Scrambler CJ8. This is going to have a 258 6-cylinder in it, automatic 4-wheel drive. We have it listed at $13,990. Then we have a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This is going to be a 455 big block automatic. Video up on it as well. Test drive video. Mr. Chip Wynn himself did that one. Then we have a 1960. My paper's running away. I apologize. We have a 1962 Cadillac DeVille. It's going to have 59,000 original miles on it. It's going to have a 390 V8 with a 4 BBL carb on it. We have it for $22,990. It's another newer one we just brought back out. Did some work to her, got her ready to go. She is back out, ready to find a new home. But if you have any questions, guys, give us a call at 270-443-1728. Make sure you give us a like and a follow on our Chip Wynn Classics YouTube page. We once again appreciate each and every one of those. And check out chipwinnclassics.com for even more information, to submit in an inquiry so that way Jeff and Jesse can get a hold of you and hopefully put one of these in your driveway. We do offer same-day financing. So you inquire in, we get your information, we can take a look at it and let you know if we can deliver, if you can't pick up the car of your dreams. So yes, we do offer shipping to pretty much anywhere in the entire world. We will do our very best to get it to you. But once again, 270-443-1728. That's the phone number. 3174 Park Avenue, Paducah, Kentucky. That's the location. And find it all online at www.chipwin.com. Until we see you guys, keep it between the ditches. Bye.